Alright, what are we doing?
Taking the Anti-Shanty camping.
The old Anti-Shanty. She's an off-road trailer.
Yes, sir.
Got Bodie in the back.
Yep.
Going camping for the weekend.
Yep.
Give the people a quick tour of the Anti-Shanty.
So you walk in, you got a electric fridge or cooler, whatever, which is awesome. Connected to the solar panels, and then we got a little stovetop right here, and
What else is that stovetop?
a diesel heater,
Yup.
and got two queens.
Look how high it is in here.
Can't even touch the ceiling.
Yeah, seriously.
Got a fan up there, and then a little ladder.
So this is cool. You got the bed platform all the way up there, then you can open it up and see the sunrise and see the sunset.
Hi.
Oh, what's up, dude? Alright, it was a success. We went camping with Bodie, and then winter. It was St. George, but it was still cold. It was about 32 degrees at the low. So with the diesel heater, we stayed nice and toasty. And now we're headed to Sand Hollow to do some rock crawling. So we're on the way to the trail, and Matt broke his front drive line. His knuckle's supposed to be attached up there.
Front drive line checked out.
So now we're just taking it off so we can get back home and dual drive. Yeah, we were gonna do double Sammy, and then there was a group of like 50 Jeeps that got in front of us.
Yeah.
And then we were going to Plan B, because, you know.
Plan B.
Plan B.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're going to Slip Lock Gooch.
It's not called that.
Sheesh!
I don't think they got enough tire on that Jeep.
That is crazy.
That is 100%.
Jeez. No headlights for that guy.
Oh, she's got
That chick. Jeez, freaking monster truck.
Yeah.
Wait, they got two steering wheels.
Yeah, this chick's crazy.
Yeah, they had two steering
Driver's
wheels.
ed.
Yeah.
So Matt turned around because his shaft went bye-bye.
His shaft wasn't working.
His shaft wasn't working. So now we found this group of Jeeps we're following. It's two Gladiators that are just fat AF. And we're about to follow them through Slip Lock Gulch. We got Caleb. He's gonna try to run up the obstacle, and then we're gonna see if the truck can do it.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, hold up.
The other guy, he came up right here on this left side.
And then passenger. Dang. Just went right up.
That one was too scary. Taking the bypass.
Okay, good.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Now, yeah, straighten it up. So you gotta kinda send it through this, and you wanna keep it aiming straight. Okay? As you come up and catch, it's naturally gonna push you this way. Just stay in it and let it eat.
Stay straight though?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you get up too high, it'll tell you driver.
Do I need to bump it pretty hard?
Not super hard, but you need to roll through and go. Okay. Like you need to keep the momentum going through. Okay. But it's naturally going to push you a little bit this way.
Okay.
Driver. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Straight.
Dude.
Very smooth.